Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will talk about how to perform automatic startup repair in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. To get access and run automatic repair manually, we need to boot into Advanced Startup Options. This will allow us to start Windows from an external device, change startup settings, or restore Windows to a factory image. Open Settings. Go to Update and Security, Recovery. During the restart, a screen will pop up. From here, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Select Startup Repair. Select a user account to continue. Enter your password. Windows Automatic Repair will now try to identify and resolve the problem. This may take some time. A message will pop up once the process is completed. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content.